ongenze ngibe mkhulu umseleku. Ngicela ukuthi uma ngelinye ilanga nihlangana nami nize nisho ukuthi siyabonga amakhumalo ukuthi uphakeme ngenxa kaMseleku.
Hi guys, ngicela sicale ngale ndaba le ukuthi uMusa every time makafuna nje ukukhuluma something bad to uMakhumalo, ukhuluma ngenzalo kaMakhumalo. Guys, uMusa noMakhumalo bebatshontshana. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. uMusa noMakhumalo bebatshontshana. uMakhumalo wayemitha. I don't understand why ukuthi beyangaprevent ngani, because azi ukuthi lo muntu lo ushadile nabafazi abayi-2. Okay fine, wamitha uMakhumalo, wathi maceda ukumitha kwathiwa akaskiphe isisu because labafazi basendlini abasifuni. And then uMusa came e-TV azotshela thina ukuthi abafazi laba yibo abayenza ukuthi uMakhumalo angakwazi ukuzala today. He's not taking accountability ukuthi I made uMakhumalo angakwazi ukuzala today. And uMakhumalo is not like she can't bear any children. uMakhumalo ushilo wathi uyakwazi ukuzala. Net now she has ectopic pregnancies where umntwana akhulela echubini. So she can do i-IVF but uMusa akafuni. That's why every time nje amdexela phansi ngendaba yenzalo. And when it comes to uMusa praising himself nge-success yaMakhumalo, it's because uMakhumalo ngomshado wakhe wathi yena the reason amkhulu is because of uMusa Mseleku. And wayiphinda le ndaba le, wayiphinda kaningi. Sho ukuthi nanoma bayi-2 ekamereni uyayiphinda athi ngimkhulu kanje because you made me. And then when it's Musa's turn ukuthi akhulume ukuthi I made her, so kuyakwata. Yes, sizokwata because uMusa is very arrogant. Ukhuluma e-TV engathi nje uMakhumalo asilutho. We started loving uMakhumalo last year when she started standing up for herself instead of supporting i-nonsense kaMusa Mseleku. Every time makumele ayofuna umfazi uhlezi aphika ngokuthi kumele avikele umuzi kaMakhumalo because uMakhumalo akakwazi ukuzala. Akakwazi ukuzala because you made her angakwazi ukuzala. And then you come here at TV uzositshela ukuthi wena hey uMakhumalo uyazibona, hey uhambela phezulu, but lento kumele nje ayizele kule khaya leli akayilethi. Ngaso sikhathi ukhulumile e-TV ukuthi mina noMakhumalo besitshontshana, but because I was protecting umuzi I had to say uMakhumalo akakhiphe izisu. Guys, uMusa angazi mina uMakhumalo usahlelele. Akaphume kuMusa ahamba ayozenzela i-IVF, azitholele umntwana, uzithengele indlu, yonke into yakhe iphelele. kuMusa atho ukuthi uMakhumalo naye sekahlele isibongo nje. Otherwise uMusa akamthandi naye akamthandi. Guys, what are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.